The issue of food shortage on our planet is a pressing concern, and sustainable gardening practices can play a crucial role in addressing this problem. Sustainable gardening focuses on cultivating food in a way that is environmentally responsible, conserves resources, and promotes long-term food security. Here are some key points on how sustainable gardening can help mitigate food shortages. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. Conservation of resources. Conservation of resources is a critical principle in sustainable development and environmental stewardship. It involves responsible management and efficient use of natural resources such as water, energy, soil, and biodiversity. By minimizing waste, reducing overconsumption, and optimizing resource utilization, conservation helps safeguard our planet's ecosystems, ensures long-term availability of essential resources, and mitigates environmental degradation. Sustainable practices such as recycling, renewable energy adoption, efficient water management, and responsible land use are integral to conserving resources and building a more sustainable and resilient future for both current and future generations. Organic and natural methods. Organic and natural methods refer to environmentally friendly and ecologically responsible approaches to agriculture and gardening that prioritize the use of non-synthetic or chemical-free solutions. These methods aim to promote soil health, protect biodiversity, and reduce the negative impacts of conventional agricultural practices on the environment and human health. Organic farming, for example, avoids synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, opting for natural alternatives like compost, cover cropping, and beneficial insects for pest control. Additionally, natural methods often include the use of heirloom and non-genetically modified, non-GMO crop varieties. By embracing organic and natural methods, we can foster healthier ecosystems, produce food with fewer chemical residues, and contribute to sustainable food production systems that benefit both people and the planet. Biodiversity. Biodiversity, short for biological diversity, is the incredible variety of life forms found on Earth, encompassing a wide range of species, ecosystems, and genetic diversity. It plays a fundamental role in maintaining the health and stability of our planet's ecosystems. Biodiversity contributes to ecosystem resilience by ensuring that different species fulfill various ecological roles, which in turn helps to regulate natural processes such as nutrient cycling, pollination, and disease control. Moreover, biodiversity provides numerous direct benefits to humanity, including food security, medicine, cultural and recreational opportunities, and climate regulation. However, human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation, and climate change are currently causing a dramatic decline in biodiversity. Conservation efforts and sustainable practices are essential to protect and restore biodiversity, as it is not only a source of wonder and inspiration, but also vital for the survival and well-being of all life on Earth. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is a farming practice that involves systematically changing the type of crops grown in a particular field over a series of seasons or years. This method offers numerous benefits to agricultural sustainability. Firstly, it helps prevent soil depletion and maintain soil fertility by varying the nutrient demands of different crop species. Secondly, it reduces the buildup of pests and diseases that are specific to particular crops, as pests often target specific plant types. By alternating crops, the pest population's growth is disrupted, minimizing the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, crop rotation can improve weed management and overall soil health. It is a time-tested strategy that not only enhances agricultural productivity, but also contributes to more resilient and sustainable farming systems. Local and seasonal produce. Embracing local and seasonal produce is a sustainable food choice with far-reaching benefits. Choosing locally grown and in-season fruits, vegetables, and other food products reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation, as these items travel shorter distances from farm to table. It also supports local farmers and the regional economy, fostering community resilience. Seasonal produce tends to be fresher and more flavorful because it's harvested at its peak ripeness, offering better nutritional value and taste. Furthermore, by aligning our diets with what nature provides during different times of the year, we can help reduce the strain on resources like water and energy that are required for year-round cultivation of out-of-season crops. This conscious shift toward local and seasonal eating is an integral part of sustainable and responsible consumption, benefiting both the environment and local communities while promoting healthier, more mindful food choices. Community gardening. Community gardening is a powerful grassroots movement that brings people together to collectively cultivate and manage shared green spaces. These gardens serve as focal points for community engagement, education, and the sustainable production of fresh produce. Beyond providing an opportunity for individuals to connect with nature and learn about gardening, community gardens often address food security issues by supplying fresh, locally grown food to participants and, in some cases, to underserved populations. These collaborative endeavors promote social cohesion, strengthen neighborhood bonds, and empower communities to take ownership of their green spaces. By fostering a sense of stewardship and shared responsibility for the environment, community gardening contributes to healthier, more resilient, and interconnected communities, making it a valuable tool for both urban and rural areas striving for sustainable and inclusive development. Urban agriculture. Urban agriculture is a dynamic and innovative practice that involves growing food within cities and other urban areas. It represents a multifaceted response to the challenges of urbanization, including issues like food security, limited green spaces, and the environmental impacts of traditional agriculture. Urban agriculture takes various forms, such as rooftop gardens, vertical farming, community gardens, and hydroponic systems. By utilizing underutilized urban spaces for food production, it not only provides fresh, locally sourced produce to urban populations, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with food transportation. Moreover, urban agriculture promotes green infrastructure, improves air quality, and enhances urban biodiversity, contributing to more sustainable and resilient cities. It fosters a sense of connection to food sources, educates communities about sustainable farming practices, and supports local economies, making it a valuable component of urban sustainability efforts around the world. Reducing food waste. Reducing food waste is a critical step toward achieving a more sustainable and responsible food system. It involves minimizing the amount of food that is discarded at various stages of the supply chain, from production and distribution to consumer households. Food waste not only squanders valuable resources like water, energy, and arable land, but also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions when organic waste decomposes in landfills. Strategies to combat food waste include improved production techniques, better storage and transportation practices, and consumer awareness campaigns. By adopting more mindful shopping habits, meal planning, and proper food storage, individuals can significantly reduce their own food waste. Furthermore, food recovery programs and initiatives to redirect surplus food to those in need can play a crucial role in addressing food insecurity while simultaneously tackling food waste. Ultimately, reducing food waste is a win-win solution for both the environment and society, conserving resources and ensuring that food reaches those who need it most. Seed saving. Seed saving is a traditional and sustainable agricultural practice that involves collecting and storing seeds from mature plants for future planting. It plays a vital role in preserving crop diversity, ensuring food security, and maintaining the resilience of agricultural systems. By saving seeds from locally adapted and heirloom plant varieties, farmers and gardeners can foster genetic diversity, making crops more resistant to pests, diseases, and changing environmental conditions. Seed saving also promotes self-sufficiency as it reduces the dependence on commercial seed sources. Additionally, it empowers individuals and communities to maintain control over their food supply and heritage, safeguarding traditional knowledge and crop varieties for future generations. As biodiversity faces increasing threats, seed saving stands as an essential practice in sustainable agriculture, promoting agricultural resilience and contributing to global food security. Education and awareness. Education and awareness are fundamental pillars of sustainable development, particularly when it comes to addressing environmental and social challenges. Effective education and awareness initiatives inform individuals, communities, and society at large about pressing issues such as climate change, biodiversity loss, food security, and resource conservation. They empower people with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed choices and take responsible actions. In the context of sustainability, education can encompass formal classroom instruction, public awareness campaigns, and community engagement programs. By raising awareness and fostering a sense of environmental and social responsibility, education can inspire individuals and communities to adopt sustainable practices, promote positive behavior change, and drive collective efforts to build a more resilient and equitable future for all. It is a critical tool for encouraging people to embrace sustainable living, from sustainable consumption habits to eco-friendly technologies and conservation efforts. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.